ACME Laser showing channel. Today, we speak about one of the most widely used metal sheet laser cutting machine, ACME model, which can meet the European CE protection standard. Behind us, this is our LP4020D model with the 4000 by 2000 mm table cutting size. The other standard size can be chosen are 3000 by 1500 mm, 6000 by 2000 or 2500 mm, 8000 by 2500 mm, etc.
Black and white appearance, simple and pleasing to the eye. Integrated big screen with the keyboard and mouse, fully ergonomic. The whole processing can be moderated by cameras inside and backside. Full enclosed cover equipped with the window, protect personal safety and easy for observation. Heavy strong steel pipe or steel plate welded machine body can be chosen. All machine body are heat treatment annealing to relieve stress, durable use and no deformation. All machine mounting groove and screw hole are milled by our high-precision milling center. Two exchange table as standard. Loading and unloading can take place during the processing. The efficiency can be further increased.
After the machine introduction, we will check some main configuration parts one by one. Step cut control system and cutting software can completely show the whole processing from design to processing.
Specially designed for sheet metal fabrication industry, it is stable, reliable, easy to deploy and debug, safe in production, rich in functions. It has excellent performance and fully integrated solutions. Many languages version can be chosen. Step-nest nesting software can be optional chosen. It integrates advanced functions of drawing modification, quick nesting, two-pass generation, analysis report and more to meet your production needs.
The below are the system support technical functions showing.
As searching, fly cart. This machine has a 6 kW laser power output. It is capable of cutting widely metal plates thickness of different material like this table, ranging from 1 kW to 30 kW. We can also customize the laser source to meet your demand. Also, we can adjust the laser source based on your needs too, including IPG, recurse, and max laser source. The cutting head is the core part of the whole machine. This cutting head is supplied by China Osprey manufacturer. We also have Swiss Retools Germany Precitech brand for optional choice. This cutting head is very stable and precision, which has built-in real-time sensing, feedback control loop, autofocus and obstacle avoidance functions, which will save your working labor and avoid potential damages to the cutting head. We choose the Honey water chiller for this 6 kW machine. You may also choose the S&A and Tongfei as the optional choice. The new trend is that using the high laser power to cut the thin metal with the air as the auxiliary gas. It will be fast speed, high efficiency, and can save the cost. You may optional choose to add the air compressor side to get the compressed clean air as auxiliary gas.
With the high efficiency, excellent dynamic performance, and super good quality, we have full confidence this machine will bring great value to our customers. This medium and high-end metal sheet laser equipment is the first choice for modern manufacturing factories. If you would like to know more about ACME laser products or interested in more details, please visit our website or search us on YouTube and Facebook. Links as follows. We are glad to provide you a suitable laser cutting solutions with more details.